You don't rarely get to see the cops and the Naxals together, but I made it happen for you today. So I hope लड़ाइयाँ नहीं होंगी यहाँ पे अभी के लिए, पर हार कैसी थी आपकी?
मेरी हार नहीं थी, वो मुझे
बोलेंगे चीटिंग की,
धोखे से गिराया गया,
ये हुआ वो हुआ,
धोखे से गिराया गया। आप अभय से पूछ सकती हैं, अभय बहुत ही मतलब अनबायस्ड आदमी है। और वो अभय अर्जुन ने खींच दिया और करीब 25 लोग थे इनकी तरफ। अब हमारी तरफ से एक लड़की भी थी बेचारी, मैं उसको संभालते संभालते जो जाके गिर गया।
अरे यार हीरोइक अपने हार को हीरोइक बना दिया। वाह क्या बात है, एक्टर हो तो ऐसे।
पर हमने ऑब्जर्व किया था कि अबे भी हंस रहे जब गिर गए थे और वो हंसते हंसते चले गए थे वहाँ से। Didn't you? Come on.
It was a funny sight, but you know nobody knew that I actually fell right on the rock.
Yeah, I didn't know that you had hurt yourself that bad.
इतनी गिरी हुई चीजें कि गिरते हैं तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
Fair enough, all right. क्या बोल सकते हैं आप? कोई नहीं. But to take it forward, we'd like to know दो different training techniques होते हैं definitely. Police, I think, can I call it more refined, the technique that the forces go through, and the ones that they are more.
Actually, no. On the contrary, these guys train far better than I think even the police force trains. Really, because they have very sophisticated weapons. Okay, they get it funded from either from extortion or they've got their hands on good funds, and they've got good arms.
Not only that,
and they are very, very meticulous is the word to say.
And also the terrain that they train.
They're familiar with the terrain. Yeah. They're familiar with the terrain, so they're guerrillas. So they are very, very, very aggressive and very violent people.
Okay. What do you have to add to that? I mean, you've gone through obviously the training procedure, and it is so difficult to imagine, of course, the role of an actor to see Abhay being a Naxalite. We've seen him being a gangster, and
he's very good in the film.
He's very
good.
That's what we've seen in the promos.
Very good, and his action and everything is fantastic.
So tell us, I mean, this is something very different, and we are looking forward to it.
Yeah, I enjoyed doing it. I anyways practiced some martial arts, so my stamina was up, my flexibility was fine, so I could jump around and shoot guns and the whatnot. But as far as the training is concerned, I think with the Naxals, I suppose, because they're so determined and a lot of them have already lost what they had, so they have nothing to lose. I suppose that makes them slightly deadlier than perhaps the police force, which comes with their family and their background, and perhaps maybe the training goes according to your mental makeup.
The only problem when we take up issues like this we've seen is that, for example, last time it was Arakshan, everybody, it was critically acclaimed and everything, but then our audience sometimes they feel it gets a little complicated for them. So उनको simplify करना I think becomes a difficult task, isn't it?
ये बहुत simple है, इसमें कुछ complication नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर मुझे स्क्रिप्ट समझ में नहीं आएगी तो मैं खुद नहीं करूँगा. And I think it's very important to entertain. It's a very entertaining film.
That's the genre.
Yeah.
I heard a rumor somewhere, Arjun, that we've heard somewhere everybody thinks that you all are going to be like, this movie is going to get a national award and all that. Have you heard that?
Well, we hope so. I mean, we fingers crossed. If that happens, great. Nothing like it. Because that's the best and most prestigious award to win. And any award worthy of winning is that. I don't think we ever go in there to make a film like that. I think it's too early to say all these things. We've got a great reaction from the London Film Festival at the premiere there. And hopefully that is the same reaction we will get from our audiences here. Because it is a very beautiful movie. It's a movie which has got a very strong message at the end of it. And if people come in there and they take that message home, they're going to go back and they're going to think twice about what's happening in this country.
So there you are, Rudrani Chatraj with cameraman Paresh Zoom.